Hello guys and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you a very Greek recipe called portokalopita, aka orange pie with syrup. I will show you how to make a juicy fluffy orange pie that will melt as soon as you put it in your mouth. It's dripping with syrup, its flavor and aroma will drive you crazy and you will love it. And let's start. First we have to make 3 basic steps to prepare the recipe. After that the recipe is done, it's almost ready. But we have to make a mise en place, preparation, to be ready for the portokalopita. We have to make 3 things. First thing first is the syrup. Always when we make a syrup cake or baklava or syrupy kind things like this, we have to prepare first the syrup. So for the syrup we need the sugar, the water, and the orange juice. On the heat. As soon as the syrup starts to bubbling, then take it off the heat and it's ready. Now, step number 2. I have 2 oranges. I will put them in another pot, fill it with cold water, put on heat, and when the water starts boiling, I will simmer the oranges for 1 hour. We have to cook them. Yes, this is the trick for this recipe to take all this orange flavor inside the cake. We need 2 beautiful oranges to be boiled first. Now, step number 3, I have some filo pastry here. You know filo, we love it. And we need 450 grams. I'm measuring by grams because I'm sure that in markets you will find different kinds of filos. So 450 grams is the quantity we want for this recipe. Now, the filo looks like this. Take the filo and make it a little bit messy like accordion, like this. But let it to be fluffy, to have some air inside, because we need to hydrate it. So we need to make it like this. Look. Easy, easy, accordion, one next to each other. Now, we have to dehydrate them. Easy work. 100 degrees Celsius set to fan, and I will cook them for 1 hour. And when they are ready, the oranges will be ready too, and the syrup will be ready too, and we will carry on with the recipe. And I'm almost ready for the oven. You see a lot of ingredients here, but actually it's almost ready, the portokalopita. These are the oranges we boiled, this is the syrup, and this is the filo. Everything is ready. Now, for the oranges, cut them in half like this, and squeeze all the water from the inside. And if there are seeds inside the oranges, please take them off. We don't want this water because it's bitter. And inside the mixer. I will carry on with the rest. So the pulp goes in. We need to add the sugar also. And mix very well. Now add all the other ingredients. 3 eggs. The milk. The oil, vanilla, orange zest, baking powder and baking soda, and mix very well. Now, look at this, magic hands of Akis. We're taking the filo and we smash it. We make it powder. And when we smash it, we will take a big bowl. We will add all this lovely orange mixer. And now it's time to add the filo into batches. 1 batch. Mix very well. This is something very unique. I'm sure you never see this way of making cake again, but this is Greece. We're making beautiful things. We're cooking very nice with lots of love. And trust me when you try this cake, is the most orangey cake you ever taste. One more batch. You have to make it in batches because if we add all the filo at once, then it will stack together and the cake will not be nice. Now the last batch goes in. Perfect. Now I have already prepared my pan with some oil and some flour, and I will add all the mixture inside. Spread it. And my oven is preheated to 160 degrees Celsius set to fan, and we will bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's golden brown and nice. And it has to be very, very hot when we pour over the cold syrup. And my portokalopita is ready! My syrup is ready too. And immediately pour over the cold syrup. Look at this. Can you see that? It soaks up so fast all this lovely syrup, and when it's done, trust me, it will be one of the most delicious cake you ever tried. Oh my goodness. Now you have to be patient until all this lovely syrup be soaked from the cake. I already prepared one so you will not be waiting. And this is how it will look like after half hour. Now it's time to serve. I have a lovely plate here. And I will portion my portokalopita. Look at this beauty. Amazing. And I will take out one lovely piece of cake and look at this beauty. So delicious and so nice. I have some vanilla ice cream here and I will put on top. Look at this. And for the decoration, I have some Greek oranges. I will put some here and the syrup on top. A little bit of mint. And this is Greece, my friend. This is the most lovely dessert you ever tried. Please subscribe to our channel, make comments underneath the video. Of course, make this recipe and share this recipe with your friends. See you next time, bye bye. Γεια σας!